So, welcome to the live, guys. So, we are live in Discord and YouTube as well. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Morning. So, let's start our let's this. Yeah, now it's looking good. Before market open, it was like, no, this can was totally flipped, totally bearish going on. Yes, so now it's looking ideal. Let me just clear out everything. Let's go through the ES. If you see the weekly, weekly in both of these, first of all, we are having this ESP because I don't think so. It is going to, totally flip right now because we already pumped a little bit more higher. So this, if this PSP holds, this will be my one stage here, and yeah, that's the only thing I can see in weekly chart. And let's look at the daily. So daily, not much, not much, but in NQ we are still holding through this. Yes, but like if you consider this as a low of the week, if you consider this as a low of the week, then this is going to be problem on Friday. On Friday, Friday is not going to be ideal day for me, at least like setting low or high of the day very much earlier of the week. Then it is expanding all through the week, and the last couple of days, like Thursday, Fridays, are going to be high probably choppy because till then these highs might be cleared out. So once this high is taken out, once this high is taken out, again there will be a new phase of price delivery, which might be a consolidation or retracement as well. So yeah, so if you look at the 4 hour, like from daily dropping down to the 4 hour, this is very much interesting here. This is very much interesting here. 4 hour. If you look at the 4 hour, we already set a low of the week, low of the day at least. So this will be a low of the day for me. Okay, and we also got some kind of change in state of delivery here. Okay, so we have our clean highs today to target. So we are now gonna rush, guys. Looking at this bullish, good expansion candle, people might rush and start taking trades to catch these low hanging fruit here, but I'm not interested to chase the price. So Yankee and ES is very clean today, to be honest. 4 hour at least. 1 hour, yeah, they're pushing higher. We have highs. Beautiful, beautiful. The one who traded the 6 a.m. The 6 a.m. was crazy. Like if you see this candle here, PSP, look at this PSP, PSP again. Okay. And then we might have traded this PSP like this 15 minute. Like I'm profiling the 4 hour actually, basically. So if you are profiling your 4 hour time frame, then you would have got this mid value cap. Okay. Do these guys, maybe. Or else if you are profiling 30 minute, again we have this PSP. Actually, this is PSP. This is PSP, but we got manipulation again toward like into this fair value gap, and we might have traded. Yeah, that's the only trade which would have got, or else we should trade this inversion here. If you see, तो फिर ये इन्वर्जन ट्रेड करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, यहाँ से, और विच विल बी वेरी मच लाइक आरआर बिगड़ जाएगा आपका. सो 10 minute was the best trade to now go for. Clear this high, we cleared this high, and then we'll get a retracement. Yeah, we are getting retracement towards into this fair value gap, and then we can just push higher to this side. But as you guys, as everyone, you like all of you guys know, I'm not gonna touch market till 10 a.m. open. So let's wait. Look at this. Just pushing. If we uh, if we didn't, if we clear this, yeah, we still have a lot of buy side. No need to worry. I was thinking that I was worried about clearing a buy side quick and hopping around. So we still have a lot of buy side. So no need to worry, guys. Still have a lot of room to trade. And look at this, guys. One stage, two stage. If you look at like gold is kind of looking very clean to me today. Two stage, okay, one stage, two stage, and we get this change instead of delivery. We can say that okay, so our bias is flip, and then flip, little bit chop, and then 10 a.m. open, set the low of 10 a.m. Then change instead of delivery. This is how I would love to trade in gold, but in gold like we have this highs and CL. Look at this, guys. There is something interesting in CL. What's in natural gas? I mean, yeah, this one stage, natural gas, and we tap to this, some kind of order block, you can say. And for me, it's low of the day, low of the day. If we didn't sweep it once again, like if we didn't sweep it once again, haven't yet swept, so didn't sweep it, so that will be our low of the day. If this closes C2, and then we can try to resize. Yeah, this will be my plan in CL today. So if this didn't sweep this once again, like it haven't yet swept it actually, but if we didn't sweep it, then this will be a low of the day, and then, like we can straight away from this. Or else if it sweeps, and if it sweeps, I think I have to wait more to see what's gonna happen. We need this change instead of delivery here. Another 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me that change instead of delivery, guys. Yes, sir. Got this change instead of delivery. Okay, but this week is like kind of fishy, but yeah, no worries. Bro, if we would have got this change in state of delivery anywhere around like 10 a.m., I would have taken that trade to these highs, at least like these highs. This would be a crazy trade today, like something in your body. Then I would be taking 1:2. So this would be my trade. Like if this is anywhere on like 10 a.m. candle, look at this, guys. Beautiful. Gold is so clean, guys. Gold is so clean. We have two stage, crazy. We have this like this is also called as like two stage PSP. Where is that? Yeah, this PSP alone, this PSP alone is two stage actually. This becomes again three stage. You don't even need that. But this PSP alone is two stage. See, one is SMT and another is this PSP. So this PSP is called as like two stage PSP. So this PSP alone works so well. Not gonna lie. So if any of you guys want to risk, you can just go and take this trade after closure about this body. After getting a change in state of delivery here, if you are if you are willing to risk and take this trade. But I'm not gonna take trade before like 10 a.m. Let's see if my mind changes and I would punch and like anything can happen here. But I'd be more interested in 30-minute change instead of delivery if I get like today, guys. Like if you want to trade, go with the gold. Gold is so clean because if you see 4 hour, we have this one stage, like it's alone two stage with silver. If you see, we have this two stage, we have this clean draw, and you just need this much area to capture the trade. So yeah, 15 minute, 15 minute changes state of delivery, tap, and then we are getting a beautiful change in state of delivery. We didn't get that, but yeah, this push is good, but you guys can wait with me till 10 a.m. or else you guys can, you know, according to your risk. Oil doing, oil is kind of 50-50 for me. No, not interested much in oil. The area it is in, what's the NQ doing? This was the entry, but not going to take before market open. So 10 a.m. open. Gold looks good though. PSP, very small PSP, 30 minutes. But if oil plays out, we have a lot of room to trade. But you know, I don't think so. Oil is high. Like we are going to get a high probable selection. Like look at this, guys. Like this is very clean actually. But I need this change state of delivery before flipping my bias to bullish. No, wait. Till this 15 minutes. CST. Put a alert there. And let me check my live, guys. Whether it's working out. The stream is good or not. Stream is streaming or not, basically. Checking in my phone. Yes, sir, we are live. Two viewers here. We got two viewers today, guys. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, whoever is watching. Make sure to like and sub. Oil, kind of, we have this in this state of delivery, but let's wait in like, gas we have, but let's wait in oil. Let's look at the stage. Forming two stage here. Yeah, forming two stage here, but let's see. I don't know, guys. We are going to come back and tap into this change in state of delivery. If anyone entered like anywhere here, I don't know how you guys got entry, but make sure to come break even at this point. Make sure to come break even at that point. This would be the entry, but let it be. Let it be. We are not going to get that before 10 a.m. We already cleared that high in silver though. Yes, sir. And 226. Then this ST. Like this would also be a entry if you are just mechanically following. If you're like mechanically following the entry model of two stage and then come back tap to this change the set of delivery, and this would be also an entry, but I'm not going to punch it before 10 a.m. sir. And we took this low. Look, okay, we didn't see this. We didn't see this. We didn't see this. This guys. Look at this. Didn't see this. Hmm. Okay. Let's wait for 10 a.m. Let's wait for another 3 minutes maybe and see. We can also target these lows in gas, natural gas, and that is oh yeah, this what's gold doing? It's gold maybe. I don't know if we are getting a pullback here. Let's wait for 10 a.m. Yes, sir. This is this is playing out. यहाँ पे मैं break even आ जाता. Here I would be break even because we clear this high. So yeah, that's a valid place to break even. Again, even if you are following the entry model mechanically, you're going to get such trades. Stage here, look at this. To stage and then change the state of delivery here, change the state of delivery here, came back, tapped in, pushing higher towards the draw. I think I missed YM today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What have we got in YM? If we hit this draw, not yet. We NQ hit the draw, YM not yet. So YM might be retracing back. If I get any like two stage in YMs, then we are gonna optimize to it. Can you open? Where will it have? Which I just clear this. I'm not gonna punch any bullets there. Yeah, we got this change instead of delivery 10 a.m. We need some kind of pullback and make a 10 a.m. Set a 10 a.m. high, then change instead of delivery for bearish. That's if we want to trade gas. Because we look at this, we came from here. Do we have anything here? Yes. Let 10 a.m. set its high first, and then we can look for anything lower in oil. Sorry, in gas. Yeah, clear this high. Yeah, it was just till this high. Like you should make a risk free there, basically. Look at this. We clear this high. Like we hit the draw in Q. We failed to hit the draw in YM, and we got a retracement in YM. Once we get this change instead of delivery, we might just hop up there because this might be a low of 10 a.m. So double tops, whatever, like double like equalize. People call it. Yes, sir. We came back. Let 10 a.m. set. Yeah, look at this. In NQ, like in silver, we took the high. In same as this way, in NQ also we cleared the high, but YM got retracement. And here in gold, we didn't take this high, and this is looking like YM to me. We got retracement. Yeah, it will be delay, bro. Your trading view time will be delay because you have to buy subscription for no futures data. So if you wanna like practice or trade, you can just trade NAS 100 CFD charts. That would work. But yeah, perfect. We are maybe setting the low for day for waiting for this changes here of delivery here. What's oil doing? Sorry, yes doing. Oh, I was expecting it to, validate here, like rebalance this actually, and then reverse, but it's going more deeper. I think it will take this high and then reverse from there. What is looking good? This was the reason why I marked this inversion, like this inversion favorable gap, like small favorable gap there. Came respecting that, and we might push to this high and close above, and we can trade this trade maybe, this trade maybe a couple of points higher. Let me show you something in gold and silver. We had this changes of delivery, okay, and look at this. Look at this, guys. We have this two stage. So how it is two stage? As we are marking only one SMT, you guys might ask me, as we are only marking one SMT here, how you're going like how it is two stage. So it is two stage because we have this PSP as well with that SMT. So PSP1, SMT2. So it's a two stage. If we get this, like this two stage, like, if we get this PSP, current candle PSP here with this or anything, we can take that. But still, you can take it, but that would be high probable. That would be high probable. Let's wait, guys. Let me put it. Okay, let me get a little bit before. With this, guys. Taken this high, new phase of price delivery. Slow, getting like little bit slow. Consolidating. Let's wait. Yeah, and oil is kind of took this high, came back and then let's wait for no. Let's I'm gonna wait for to get this news changes it of delivery because I want it after 10 a.m. So we are waiting in gold. Not gonna touch it until we get a more confirmation. Yeah, this is what I wanted to happen. Gold is lagging behind and silver is just pumping higher. We might form another PSP here in another 5 minutes in silver and gold. So let's wait. But if you look at the 4 hour, this is C2, this candle. Look at this, guys. Like C2, we can trade that. We also had this like change the state of delivery. What's happening here? I'll just remove this. Okay, clear is not yet. We have this equal high, so this test for you. Now, if we get some kind of gap here, and then comes back, pulls back, rapidly changes to delivery, changes to delivery, we can look for something. Okay, gold is looking clean. Everything is aligning up here. Got that alerting gold. It is aligning. It is changes to delivery. Happening here. Body. Very difficult to get that. I don't know. It's not gonna come. That give us a tap there. See in gold if we have anything. And this CST. We can even also trade the next 15 minutes, so no need to worry. I don't know. I think we are going to miss this. oil, natural gas, like HO, which is kind of okay. So I don't know. We are not going to come back here in YM. Where can we get entry on YM here? This Chinese share Philippines? No, that's not safe to take that trade. Gold, silver, just chopping around. Yeah, this is looking kind of good. We are if we are like if we are gonna flip this dollar. Let's wait. While around there, well, maybe we'll time up is low already, so it's good. We can target this low as well. How much we are going to get if we take this trade? Equivalent fee 40. We'll wait. Look at this, guys. We didn't get this CST. We are not going to take that. Again, we're pumping higher here in NQ as well without giving us entry. Like, look at this, guys. At this candle, we didn't get changes rate of delivery. If you would have waited for this candle, it's just, expanded higher without giving you a entry basically. Just stay away. Just stay away. Just stay away. If you're not getting a pullback, then just stay away. These were the setups. Now gonna touch 1 minute. Gold is reversing without touching those highs. Might be the retracement as well. So wait. Who knows? We might get a better cracking correlation and then push higher. Let's see. I'm waiting for this. Wow. NQ is chopping around. What is this? Like, what is this? Like, sorry, gold, not NQ. Gold is just chopping around. Look at this chop. Game manipulated, and then we might push higher here. But NQ is like straight away, straight, pushing higher. This would be the perfect entry, but there is no chance we would have positioned ourselves there because this candle closed very tricky and we already took the buy side. So I thought we might enter the new phase of price delivery, consolidate a little bit, and then here, I don't know, we might. I think we missed this. Right? I think we missed that. Let's wait for. We'll have something in gold, guys. Like you see this two stage. If we get this, we can try this out. But again, we are gonna close here and we are gonna just straight away push higher without getting entry. And then that would be the problem there. Up and around. Thank you is just saying hi. Are pushing lower in oil and gas. Happening in gold. What is this? Wrong. Let's look for this. It is here. How much? Oh shit. This is a lot, guys. This is a problem here. Can't risk for like 500 here on this trade. I don't wanna risk 500 on this trade, guys. I can't risk 500 on this. We have any? Nah, we can't take this trade. A lot of risk there. That's a lot of risk, guys. Yes, sir. Hello, 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 YouTube. There's a lot of risk in this trade. Like, not my ideal risk. 250. So I'm not going to. Maybe not going to take that. But this would be the entry because this would be the entry nature conversion. And yeah, I'm not going to take that trade because of risk. There's a lot of risk there. Gold is hopping around. NQ have a pullback. This CST and this level gap. I clear this high though. So that's the problem there. Little bit interested in gold. Even silver will be a lot of risk to it. This is a lot of risk to trade. uh, So that's the reason I'm not gonna touch it. Then I prefer you guys not to touch that. We have a gold. We can trade gold. So let's wait. Is problem. here. If I take that HO trade, that would be a problem for me. Like a lot of risk. But this might play out. Not sure. Risk that much money. Can this is the only clearance I would be looking for. But gold, maybe this instead of delivery takes a lot of time. NQ. NQ is kind of looking for price. Look at this. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Gold is just chopping around. NQ is looking clean though. We have highs here. Any kind of, yeah, we still do have 5 minutes. We can take this trade. We can take this trade. If we get this inversion in 3 minutes, we can take. If we get this change instead of delivery in 5 minutes, we can take as well. Let's wait. But if you take this inversion, your aura will be like much bigger. So not gonna touch that. Look at this guy. Thank God. I would if like I'm not going to see this drawdown on this trade. Even if it plays out, I'm not like I think this might be around 400, like not 400, 200, 250 already in a drawdown here. So I'm not gonna. I would love to see that like that drawdown in my trades. So yeah, that's advantages of having patience. Just risking what you can afford, not panicking on your trades. And instead of delivery, same tab, can push higher, but I'm not gonna touch 1 minute, so just staying away from 1 minute. Happening here. Look at this guy's gold. Actually, the gold has should be pushing higher, but I don't know what's happening here. Gold today, so 2 minutes, guys. Have another minute. Another 36 seconds here. 30 seconds. Be ready, guys. I think we might take this straight. But like, YM is still lagging behind. I don't know. What is MES doing? What's MES doing? Okay. MES is easy question. We need this inversion. We can just take that for okay. Hey guys, we haven't yet got inversion. Look at this. No inversion, no trade. Please for this. For this setup. Or else we need the 5 minute changes to our delivery. Not gonna take that. No inversion. Not a clean inversion as I expected. Gold is picking around. Okay. He is. We should stay protected. Or else these are just going to be chopped around. I'm totally okay if I don't get any trades today because I'm not gonna rush. Clear this high. Not into this trade, guys. Excuse me. Yes, I was anticipating for this inversion 3 minutes. But I didn't get that, so I didn't much any trade. This is not anymore protected, so no. I just stopping around and pull, guys. Okay. If I take this here, how much can I risk? Just for curiosity. Share. I'm not gonna take this, but like just curious. Okay, this would be my ideal RR, like my ideal risk 250 around and like targeting for 500. This would be my ideal risk to risk on the trade. But I would never like to risk like 500 maybe or anything. So, you know, switching back to MNQ. MNQ is chopping around. HO, let's see HO. You can get this inversion or just change the state of delivery then. Oh shit! What is this? What is this kind of guys? What is what was that? Hey bro, you're this low. That's the problem. But I think I should. I don't know. I'm like a bit confused here. Hmm. Let's try this out, guys. Let's give it a shot. Let's try this out. I mean, let's take this risk. 250. Okay, with this risk. But we had this change state of delivery as well, so I decided to take this trade. I'll explain you guys like logic behind this trade once trade is completed. So let's wait, let's see what we got. Like let's let it play out. Let's wait, let's see. Bit risky because we have a very tight stop as usual. Like mm, risky. But again, like nothing is looking clean today, so I thought I should try this out. Funny enough, yes, it, I don't want to be in a red a lot, like for long. 'Cause that's it's not the case. Like when I take trades will just keep on popping green most of the time at least. When yes is looking good for longs here. Again, they are already in a trade. But, yes was like now I'm having that regret. Yes is good. Take trade on this changes of delivery. Yes is looking good. And lie, but that's it. I take one like another trade in yes as well. At these guys, yes is like a plus setup. But I'm already into this HO. Yeah, yes. Chopping on with a pillow, not the best case here. Straight to my SL maybe. Straight to my SL. Look at this guys. Yes, yes. They're good trade too. Look, taking loss pro here. Someone is saying big fans, big fans, sorry, pronunciation. Even even we had this here, like this inversion here. I just chopping around 180. Here, take my answer. I'm not gonna touch it. Yeah, one loss today. That loss was it, bro. I planned this and I left this and I went for other asset. Anyways, it's okay. But I like it that way. Oh, gold is looking good, not gonna lie. But then we are forming this gap, but I don't know if we form this gap, we can just what would be the risk? Then draw. Yeah, we still have this. But I'm not gonna target that high RR, but just marked out a draw there. Have this 5 minutes, then we stop delivery. happening in ES. Mhm. What happened in HO? So HO just stopped me out and then flushing lower. But that was the, very tight stop there because because would never not limit sir market. Yeah, that is high, is high. So HO is coming back. Gold, you need to close. These candles in gold are not looking good. Kind of. Is that like our SL is supposed to be that high, but mm, we are just consolidating there. What happening in NQ? Grab this. Let's wait for that CST. It wants to push higher, but we'll definitely do that. But again, like walking around with gas is risky, but like I don't know, just still think that it will just slow. Gold, couldn't get a tap here, we got a tap there. Let's see in gold if we get displacement for this high. Let me put on my charger, guys. Give me a sec. Look at this, guys. Look at that show here. Look at this, guys. Look at this shit. Let it be. No, but it will be like more risky if I Does that say the set of clearing? Getting gold, CSTC. Let's try this. We need body like closure about this high. We happen here. Bro, bro, we missed it. This was entry. This was entry. We missed it. We missed it. This was entry. We missed it. This was entry, guys. I didn't log in it and I missed it. We got a clean push. Why are you executing trades today? Why are you executing trades today? Because it's Monday. The market is on. So if we see any kind of setups, I'll definitely execute and take the trades. What's wrong in that? Mhm. Missed this in gold, guys. That was the trade. Missed it. Hmm. I couldn't able to log in and missed it. Oh, that's not the case. I couldn't able to log in. Like I can't. If I am logging in this tab, I can't trade in this tab or punch my trades in this tab. So I have to log out here and then log in here, or else I have to come here and change the asset and then try to punch the trade. It's not about like analysis. It's about this non-convenience of logging in and out all the time. This was like straight trade, guys. Let's see if we get a pullback to this order block and then we get a push. What's happening here? I have this another AST, but not sure. Consolidating. But you know, okay, missed the entering goal, guys. We would be like break even at this point here. Let's wait for another 2 minutes. We'll get the gap here maybe. Then if we can, is what we have high here. But yeah, we can just go break even at that point. Like be the same case like yesterday one. So let's wait for another 2 minutes. 2 minutes. It's because 5 minutes is about to close. Yeah. We need to tap, so we'll tap here. I'm not going to jump in, close, and then we can go. Look at this. It's kind of working like top here. Game tapped in. Did we? Okay. Three Pokemon. Yeah. This will be my last trade for the day. If we just take a loss, then we take a loss. I might. I want to take another one, guys, but I don't know. Added another one there. How much are we risking? How much are we? Nothing to do. Okay, let's go. That's right, guys. Let's see. This goes, I might be breaking this high or this high. Might be flipping here. But this was also a good trade to be taken, like with a very small stop loss. Again, we had this beautiful gap and it's okay. Let's see if I get this CST, I'll be my stops will be trailed here. If I get this change in stock delivery, just to be safe, because I already took one loss, so I'm not gonna risk. Yeah, what we're doing here. Yeah, silver is just pumping higher and higher. So I'm expecting the gold to, just push higher again. Let's see. How much did we lose today? Maybe 250, 230, some maybe 230, I think. If we get this trade, we'll be doing fine today. That's volatile. 5 minute back. To my close, we have this single set of delivery. Let's wait. Let's wait, guys. How much points for this draw? 7 points. I don't know if we get that push, that'd be so good. But I'll be coming break even here. If we get this changes rate of delivery, I'll be moving my stops below these lows. Just chopping around. Just to our entry, guys. Whatever happens. Entry is just chopping around. Look at these guys. This just stopped me out here and then, started flushing. It will flush to these lows, actually. If I would have held this trade, I would be passing my account today, maybe, because that was 1 minute trade. So I'd be definitely passing my account, but let it go, let it go. You're not gonna rush the process. The 10 minutes to flip this candle. If this flips, then up to this CST. Let's hold it. Wait, what was that? What was that candle, guys? This will be my last trade, guys. If I took this loss, then I'll be ending my stream. Also, it's going like as I expected, but after stopping me out. This was not expected, like totally reversed this previous 15-minute candle. And this was the ideal stop where should be kept, but it is it reversed from there. This will be something like clearing out the equal highs and getting this inversion and then pushing lower. That look at this NQ, we are getting this here in NQ, but I'm already into this gold trade. So we're respecting this fair value gap. If we do, then yeah, when I hit OTP, if we respect this fair value gap. YM, like we can take this trade during YM because we have this essentially another 42 seconds. If we inverse this, I don't know whether I'm holding it or not. I'll hold it. I'll hold it either take me out or this. It was this 5 minute actually, but I don't know whether we should hold it or not. But we have this change instead of delivery. But these guys, I was like at 45 loss and suddenly slammed down and took me to 120, 111. Let's say volatility we are going to get in gold. I just, I don't know. OM is looking good. Like, uh, I should just take this 250. Maybe. I think today we are gonna end our like winning streak. Yes, sir. We are out here. That's it, guys. Few losses today. I'm not gonna trade. Or we can try this YM, but let's try this NQ. But this is not a time like it's already 11:30, so I'm not gonna trade. That's it, guys. Look at this. That's it, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. Bye.